Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2008 Yamaha R6. This bike is in extremely good condition. As you can see, today we'll walk around the bike and I'll show you a little bit about it. We'll start here at the seats, free of any rips and tears, as well as the tank, free of any dings, dents, or chips in the paint. Gorgeous white wheels on there, as you can tell. An M4 exhaust. Makes the bike sound fantastic. As we run up the bike, has frame sliders. Even the belly pan there looks in great condition. Has aftermarket blinkers, both front and integrated blinkers in the rear. Carbon fiber windscreen. Tires are in fair condition. As we swing around this side, another shot at the sliders and the blinkers. Both the tires are still painted white on this side, which is a good thing. Tank is still looking good. And then again, both seats free of any rips and tears. Let's show you a little gauge action. 12,678 miles on there. Get a little pan of everything. Let's fire it up. This bike, along with all the other bikes that we sell here, go through a 24-point inspection, as well as most of our bikes come with a limited 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting us here at simplystreetbikes.com.